Hello friends, welcome back to infyGyan. In today's video, we are going to take up another very interesting and challenging radical equation which will be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started straight away by writing our denominators cannot be 0. So we will write our answer cannot be equal to plus 1 minus 1. Now we will begin with our numerators. So if I will write here 5x square plus x minus 6. Let's factorize this. So we will write 5x square and plus x can be written as minus 5x plus 6x. Then we have minus 6. Now we can take 5x common from first two terms. So in the bracket we need to write x minus 1. 6 common from last two terms. We are going to write x minus 1 once again. So our factorization would be 5x plus 6 times x minus 1. Similarly, 6x square minus x minus 5 can be factorized as 6x plus 5 times x minus 1. We have x square minus 1 in the denominator. So using difference of two squares formula, we will write here x plus 1 times x minus 1. In RHS, we have fifth root of 81, which we will write fifth root of 3 power 4. We will multiply numerator denominator by 3. So we can write 3 power 5 over 3. This will be equal to fifth root of 3 power 5 over fifth root of 3. Fifth root and power 5 will be over from the numerator. So we will get 3 in the numerator and fifth root of 3 in the denominator for right hand side. Let us put all the values. We will write equation fifth root of 5x plus 6 times x minus 1. In denominator, we will write x plus 1 times x minus 1 using difference of two squares identity plus fifth root of 6x plus 5 times x minus 1 over x plus 1 times x minus 1 will be equal to 3 over fifth root of 3. Now we will cancel x minus 1 from the numerator and denominator. So our equation will become fifth root of 5x plus 6 over x plus 1 plus fifth root of 6x plus 5 over x plus 1 will be equal to 3 over fifth root of 3. Now we have fifth root of 3 in the denominator of our right hand side. So I want to eliminate it. I will multiply both sides by fifth root of 3. Now we can cancel our denominator in right hand side. So we will multiply fifth root of 3 in the LHS also. Now we will multiply all the radicands with 3 as we have fifth root in our LHS. I will write here fifth root of 3 times 5x plus 6 over x plus 1 plus fifth root of 3 times 6x plus 5 over x plus 1 equal to 3. Or we'll be writing here fifth root of 3 times 5 is 15. So 15x plus 3 times 6 is 18. 15x plus 18 over x plus 1 plus fifth root of 18x plus 15 over x plus 1 equal to 3. Now we'll be using substitutions. Let us say first fifth root equal to a, second fifth root equal to b. So we are ready with our first equation, a plus b equal to 3. Now fifth root of 15x plus 18 over x plus 1 is a. We'll raise power 5 both sides. So I can write a power 5 will be equal to 15x plus 18 over x plus 1, and we will write b power 5 equal to 18x plus 15 over x plus 1. We'll add both the equations. So a power 5 plus b power 5 will be equal to, common denominator is x plus 1. In numerator we'll add 15x plus 18 with 18x plus 15. So 15 plus 18 is 33. We'll write 33x plus 18 plus 15 is again 33 over x plus 1. We are going to take 33 common from the numerator. So there will be x plus 1 in the bracket. We'll cancel x plus 1 from numerator denominator, and we can write our second equation, a power 5 plus b power 5 will be equal to 33. Equation number 2. Now let us consider AB equal to M, and I will use two algebraic formula. So I will write here a square plus b square, which will be equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Let me write here known equations. A plus b equal to 3, a power 5 plus b power 5 equal to 33, and our substitution is ab equal to m. So a plus b is 3. I will write here 3 square minus 2ab. So a square plus b square will be 9 minus 2ab. Similarly, I will write here a cube plus b cube, which will be equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab a plus b. Let's plug in all the values. A plus b is 3. We'll write 3 cube minus 3 times ab is m. A plus b is 3. So we can write here 27 minus 9m. We will take 9 common out. So in the bracket there will be 3 minus m. Now I am multiplying these two equations. A square plus b square, 9 minus 2 times ab. A cube plus b cube, 9 times 3 minus m. Let's multiply. We will get a square plus b square times a cube plus b cube equal to 9 minus 2ab times 9 times 3 minus m. Let's simplify LHS. A power 5 plus b power 5 plus a square b cube plus a cube b square. We will take a square b square common, which I will write ab whole square. Then in the bracket we need to write a plus b. In RHS 9 times will expand or will multiply both the brackets. We will write here 27. Then we'll write minus 15. AB is m. So we need to write here m instead of AB. So here we'll write minus 15m. Then we'll be writing plus 2m square. Now a plus b is 3. A power 5 plus b power 5 is 33. So we will write here 33 plus 3m square. Then we'll be writing 9 times in bracket 2m square minus 15m plus 27. Equation is divisible by 3. Let's divide both sides by 3. We will get 11 plus m square will be equal to 3 times in bracket 2m square minus 15m plus 27. Now we will simplify RHS. So we can write 11 plus m square. Let's multiply the bracket with 3. We will get 6m square minus 45m plus 81. Take all the terms to RHS. We will get 5m square minus 45m plus 70 equal to 0. We can take 5 common out. So in the bracket there will be m square minus 9m plus 14 equal to 0. Or we can write quadratic equation in m square minus 9m plus 14 equal to 0, which we can factor easily. We will write m minus 2 times m minus 7 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will write either m minus 2 equal to 0 or m minus 7 equal to 0. So from here we will be getting m equal to 2, and from this equation we will write m equal to 7. M was AB, our substitution. So we will write AB equal to 2, AB equal to 7. Now our first equation was A plus B equal to 3. From this equation, we can write B in terms of A, B equal to 3 minus A, which we are going to apply here and here. So we will be writing two equations. A times 3 minus A equal to 2. A times 3 minus A equal to 7. We'll expand, we'll write all the terms to RHS. So equation will become A square minus 3A plus 2 equal to 0 from here. And A square minus 3A plus 7 equal to 0 from our second equation. Now we are going to check the discriminant value in our second equation. So let me write the discriminant formula. B equal to B square minus 4AC. As per our equation, B is coefficient of small a. So I will write minus 3 whole square minus 4 times A is 1, C is 7. We'll simplify and write 9 minus 28, which is equal to minus 19. Once discriminant is negative, one thing is confirmed, we are going to get complex solutions. I will write here complex solutions. So we will reject our second equation. Now we have A square minus 3A plus 2 equal to 0, which we can factor easily. A minus 1 times A minus 2 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will write either A minus 1 equal to 0 or A minus 2 equal to 0. So from here we are going to write A equal to 1. From second equation, we will get A equal to 2. Now A is our substitution. I will write here A equal to 1, A equal to 2. Now if I will write our substitution here, then I can write A equal to fifth root of 15x plus 18 over x plus 1. So we will write A power 5 will be 15x plus 18 over x plus 1. We will replace a power 5. So let us find a power 5 first. Will be equal to 1 power 5, 2 power 5. So a power 5 will be 1 and 2 power 5 is 32. So let us write 15x plus 18 over x plus 1 equal to 1 and 32. So I will create two equations from here. First equation 15x plus 18 equal to x plus 1, and second equation we will write 15x plus 18 equal to 32 times x plus 1, which we will write 32x plus 32. So from here we will get 14x equal to 1 minus 18 minus 17. So x will be equal to minus 17 over 14. This is our first real solution. And from our second equation, I will write minus 17x will be equal to 14. So we are going to get x value minus 14 over 17. So finally we have two real solutions, minus 17 over 14 and minus 14 over 17. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.